A very good morning, students. Today, I'm making important points from Ellipse. So let us begin. What is Ellipse? It is locus of a point whose distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio E less than 1 with its distance from a fixed line. In this case, fixed point is called focus, and fixed line is called directrix of ellipse. Constant ratio E is called eccentricity of ellipse. The next point is what? Depending upon the values of A and B, we classify ellipses in following two important categories. Number one, x square upon a square plus a greater than b, and second is what? X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, b greater than a. Now we'll go to what? Comparison chart. Between the two ellipses. Comparison chart among between the comparison chart among first is diagram between the two ellipses. First is diagram. A greater than b means like this. A greater than b means like this. These are foci. These are foci. These are two directrices. These are two directrices. A B, A, B, A dash, A dash, B dash, B dash. And when B greater than A, it will be like this. And when B greater than A, it will be like this. Foci will be on y-axis. Foci will be on y-axis. First is center. First is center. Foci. Foci. Distance between foci. Distance between foci. Directrices. Directrices. Distance between directrices. Major axis, directrices. Major axis, minor axis. Minor axis. Length LR, latus ictum. Length LR, latus ictum. End points of latus ictum. Points of latus ictum. A relation between AB and E. AB and E. So center is what? Origin. So center is what? Origin. And here also origin. And here also origin. There are two focus. One is what? Foci. S dash. S is what? There are plus focus. One is what? S. S dash is what? Minus S is what? Plus A. S dash is what? Minus and here A. X coordinate changes to Y coordinate. And here and A changes X to B. Coordinate changes to Y 0 coordinate. Plus minus and A changes to B. BE. So 0 plus minus. This length is what? A. This BE. Is what? A. So total length is what? This length is what? A. This is what? A. So total length is what? Here it will be 2B. 2A. Here it will be 2B. X is equal to plus minus A by E. X is equal to plus here it is minus what? Y is equal to plus minus. Here it is what? Y is equal to plus by minus. E. Distance between directrices will be what? Distance between directrices will be what? 2A upon E. Whereas here it is what? 2A upon E. Whereas here B upon what? E. What is major axis? B upon E. What is major axis? X axis. That X is Y is equal to 0. That is Y is equal to 0. And its length is what? And its length is what? 2A. Here major axis is what? Y axis. Here major axis is what? Y axis. That is X is equal to 0. That is, and its length X is what? Is equal to 0. And its length is what? 2B. Minor axis 2B. Minor axis. Y axis. that is x is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0, what? And its length is what? 2b. And here minor axis is what? 2b. And here minor axis is what? X that axis, is y is equal to 0. That is y is and equal to 0. Length is what? And 2a. Its length is what? 2a. Next is what? Vertices. Next is what? Vertices. Here there are 4 vertices A, B, here, A dash, B dash. There are 4 vertices. Coordinate of A is what? A dash, B dash. Coordinate of A is what? A dash, A0, minus A0, A dash, B0B, minus A0, and B0B, and 0 minus B. Now same 4 vertices 0 here minus in shortcut B can be written as, now same 4 vertices plus here minus in shortcut A0 can be written as plus minus 0 A0 plus minus B and 0 plus minus B. Length of lattice sectum is 2b square by A. Is 2b square by A. Whereas 2b square by A, 2b square by A, here it is what? 2a square by, here it B. Is what? 2a square by B. Then end points of lattice sectum. A comma B square by A comma B square by A comma minus B square by A comma minus B square by A, B square by A minus A comma minus B square by A minus B square by A minus B square by A. Same 4 vertices in shortcut can be written as, same 4 vertices in shortcut plus can be written as A square by B comma plus A minus square by B B comma plus minus B. Then point number 12th is a relation between AB and E. AB, B square is what? B square is what? A square into bracket, A square into bracket, 1 minus E square, or same thing can be written as, or E square can be written as A square minus B square upon A square minus B square upon, here it is what? A square. Here A square is equal to B square into, A square is equal to B square into, or E square is what? Or B square minus A square is what? B square minus A square upon B square. So B square. This is comparison chart. So between the two, this is comparison chart. Next point between the two ellipses. Equation of ellipse whose center is at HK and axis remains parallel to coordinate axis is x minus h square by a square plus y minus k square by b square is equal to 1. Its foci is what? H plus minus AE, comma K. Equation of directrices x is equal to h plus minus a by e. If position of a point with respect to ellipse if x1 square upon a square plus y1 square upon b square minus 1 is equal to 0, then Px1 y1 lies on the ellipse. Point number 2, if x1 square upon a square plus y1 square upon b square minus 1 less than 0, then Px1 y1 lies inside the ellipse. Point number 3, if x1 square upon a square plus y1 square upon b square is equal to 1 minus 1 greater than 0, then Px1 y1 lies outside the ellipse. For ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Its auxiliary circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is ellipse. This is its auxiliary circle. It touches the end points of major axis. Center is same as center of ellipse. And radius of auxiliary circle is what? A. B, its director circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. This is ellipse. The two tangents are perpendicular. This is director circle. Area of ellipse is pi AB. If PSQ is focal chord of ellipse, x square upon a square plus a greater than b, then 1 upon SP plus 1 upon SQ is equal to 2a upon b square. Circle drawn on focal length as diameter always touches auxiliary circle of ellipse. Point number 8 is what? Tangent. Equation of tangent to ellipse x square upon a square plus at any point p x1 y1 is x1 upon a square plus y1 upon b square is equal to 1. The condition that line y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to ellipse x square upon a square is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. The point of contact minus a square m by c, b square by c. equation of tangent to ellipse in terms of slope m be given as y is equal to mx plus minus root a square m square plus b square. If tangent passes through p x1 y1, then x1 square minus a square into m square minus 2x1 y1 into m plus y1 square minus b square is equal to 0. Equation of tangent to ellipse x square upon a square plus at any point p theta corresponds to a cos theta b sin theta is x cos theta upon a plus y sin theta upon b is equal to 1. Next point is what? On normal. Equation of normal to ellipse x square upon a square plus at point p x1 y1 is a square x upon x1 minus b square y upon y1 a square minus b square. Equation of normal to ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square at point p a cos theta b sin theta is ax upon cos theta minus by upon sin theta a square minus b square. Some important properties are there. Product of lengths of perpendiculars drawn from foci on any tangent to ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is b square. Locus of fit of perpendiculars drawn from foci on any tangent to ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is auxiliary circle of ellipse. The tangents at extremities of lateral septum are perpendicular on directrix at the point where it meets major axis. The tangent segment between point of contact and point where it meets directrix subtends right angle at corresponding focus. So these are very important points from ellipse. Next video will be on important points of hyperbola. Thank you.